Time for magic buttons unboxing. Let's do some reviews. Woohoo! Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to take a close look at the Pac-Monster. But a little shout out to Magic Button to send me this product to check out, to play with and to review and show you here on the channel. No, I'm not going to keep him, I'm not a big collector of these LCD, but I just find it fun to show you here in the channel and to mess around with it. Alright, it comes in this box and really cool. You don't see this very often. And the condition, it's good. You still have this wear out of the edges, but yeah, that happens of course due of age. The Pac-Monster, released by Bandai Electronic, is basically a Pac-Man game you can play. I will not say on the go, because it's not very tiny. It's a pretty huge system. So let's do a little unboxing and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, let's unbox it and be very careful of course, because this is old. And the boxes are a little bit flimsy at the moment. Alright, so it's still packed up in the original styrofoam. And here it is. Here's our Pac-Monster. Okay, let's see how we can get it out. Need to put it upside down. Get out. Alright, so let's do a little bit of an overview of the system itself. Alright, at the left side we're finding the power LED that indicates if its system is on and off. We're having the on and off button and the button to start the game. What I think is really cool that you have this really tiny look-alike arcade stick. Very cool. That's what we call details. And here at the left top corner we can find Bandai Electronics FL Pac-Monster decal. Yes, here we have some information about the product itself. And this is something you don't see very often nowadays. Made in Japan. And here at the right we can find the battery compartment. We're going to need 4 batteries for this bad boy. It is possible to use an external power to supply, but it's not inside this package. Seems to be it's on 6V, so it's pretty common. Alright, let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, let's see. I will hold it in this position, otherwise you cannot see the game itself. Press start. That was a really long intro. So basically it's a Pac-Man game. We have one ghost that is hunting me. Oh, we have a warp. We even have the small warp over there. That's really cool. Okay, let's see if I can finish the first game. No. Oh, I could eat him. Yeah. Alright. The joystick is very responsive. Oh yeah. Alright, level 2. We have 2 ghosts. I can tell you this is really fun to play. Okay, we need to be careful now. Going to be very challenging. Okay, it's... Oh, I can grab it, I can grab it, number 1. Oh, I ate the second one. The red dot. I turned them into other ghost. And I finished stage 2. Really cool. Okay, stage 3. Let's see. We're having 3 ghosts now. Now it's getting really challenging. No, oh, that didn't move. Still I got a life left. Wait, did he come all out? Yes. Oh, see, you see. No, that ghost didn't have. Oh man, it didn't change. And I finished the stage. Okay, let's see. I'm guessing the maximum ghost is 3. No. Ah! Alright people, that's my high score, 328. Alright, so for the final conclusion about the Pac-Monster system, I really like it. It's cool to see it here on the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. The thing feels quite heavy, I must say, including 4 batteries of course. It's a fun product. I don't know if there are people just collect them or just want to buy and play them. Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in a product like this, don't forget to check out the Magic Button website because they sell a lot of these awesome, unique products. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content, and you want to see some gameplay, you can check the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.